Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact the customer service in the Notino app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Notino app. On the bottom in the menu bar you have to tap on the last icon, the profile icon. Then you open your profile. If you scroll down below the Notino, the second option is the customer service. If you tap on it, then you can call them by tapping on the first button, and you can write to them here through the app, and you can write to them through email on the last button. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.